What's up everyone, this is Rafe with Central Alps again. Today here I have a 2017 Ram 1500 Rebel. It had the factory air ride suspension on it and it was doing bad, it was failing, and the customer had replaced it many times and they were having issues with them. So a customer called me, he's like, hey, I need to get my air suspension replaced and I need to go onto a regular suspension, no air suspension, the traditional suspension. I was like, all right, well, let's do it, we can do it. There's not many options out there, but we know how to do it because we've done it plenty in the past. So let me tell you what we did. We put a 3-inch rough country lift kit on it, and then we also have to reprogram the ECU so it doesn't, ding up on your dashboard. It doesn't, light up your dashboard. And then we put 34-inch tires on there, which is a 285, 75, 18, I believe. So that's what we put on there, and the truck looks absolutely great. It looks absolutely leveled and beautiful. So the customer's gonna be here soon, and we're gonna show them how it looks, and I'm excited for it. But if you need your truck to look like this, and if you need to fix your air suspension problems on your Ram 1500 Rebel or Classic, anything that has the air suspension set up, we can fix it for you. Give us a call at 823-268-2577 here in Arlington, Texas. Thank you.